Welcome to today's video about D-PDD-OE-01 Dell PowerProtect Data Domain Operate V2 exam. Introduction of Dell PowerProtect Data Domain Operate V2 certification. Who should take the D-PDD-OE-01 exam? Key knowledge areas of the D-PDD-OE-01 exam. Effective study strategies for D-PDD-OE-01 exam. 1. Which task is part of managing system access on a PowerProtect data domain system? A. Creating and managing user accounts, roles, and authentication settings. B. Replacing all storage shelves. C. Disabling all access protocols. D. Removing backup policies from the backup application. 2. An administrator wants to configure IP addressing and network connectivity for a data domain system. Which task should be performed? A. Enable file system cleaning only. B. Create a cloud tier movement policy. C. Configure network interface administration. D. Configure a virtual tape library barcode. 3. Which activity is associated with file system management on a PowerProtect data domain system? A. Deploying Kubernetes pods. B. Creating Microsoft Exchange mailboxes. C. Configuring only client-side deduplication. D. Monitoring file system status, usage, and availability. 4. What is the main purpose of secure multi-tenancy in a PowerProtect data domain environment? A. To logically separate access and resources for different tenants or business units. B. To increase rack space. C. To disable all replication policies. D. To remove the need for authentication. 5. Which feature helps prevent backup data from being modified or deleted before a defined retention period expires? A. Network interface bonding. B. Retention lock. C. Cloud cache. D. System passphrase reset. 6. A backup administrator has connected backup software to a PowerProtect data domain system. What should be done next to confirm the integration works correctly? A. Delete backup application credentials. B. Disable all storage units. C. Remove network connectivity. D. Implement and verify backup and recovery operations. 7. Which statement best describes successful integration between PowerProtect data domain and backup applications? A. The backup application can write backup data to data domain and perform recovery operations successfully. B. The data domain system no longer requires monitoring. C. All system access protocols must be disabled. D. Cloud tier must be removed from the environment. 8. What is the purpose of cloud tier in a PowerProtect data domain environment? A. To replace all active tier storage immediately. B. To support long-term retention and movement of data to cloud-based storage. C. To disable backup application integration. D. To remove file system monitoring. 9. An administrator notices that cloud tier data movement is not performing as expected. Which action is most appropriate? A. Remove all replication policies. B. Disable all backup jobs permanently. C. Review cloud tier configuration, movement operations, and tuning best practices. D. Change all user passwords immediately. 10. A backup job is failing, and the administrator suspects a data domain connectivity issue. What should be reviewed first? A. Network connectivity, access protocol configuration, backup application settings, and system logs. B. Only the rack location of the appliance. C. Only the number of installed licenses. D. The color of the network cables. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PowerProtect for more IT exam prep.